Hello my watchers, today I'm here with a new video. In this video I'm going to give you a tutorial about how you can make a canvas painting very easily. It is not that much easy, but definitely if you do some hard work you can definitely make it. If you're really enjoying my videos and have learned something from them, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment below in the comment section so that I'll be able to come up with the new videos like this. Let's roll to the video.